Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most fundamental concepts in JavaScript, that is, strings. If you've been curious about how to work with text in your web apps, then this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a strong grasp on what strings are, how to manipulate them, and why they're so important. So let's get started. Firstly, what is a string? Well, in JavaScript, a string is simply a sequence of characters used to represent text. You can use single quotes, double quotes, or even backticks to define a string. Here's an example. Let string1 equals. Inside the single quotes, let's write something. JavaScript is fun. Let channel equals. Inside the double quotes, let's write our channel name, Born2Code. Let phase equals. Inside the backticks. This key is usually present at the top left corner of your keyboard. Let's write something. Subscribe to $, and curly braces. You can pass any variable to this. It will represent its value in the string. Pass the channel variable which we declared above. Console.log phase. As you can see, you can use single or double quotes interchangeably. But backticks, or template literals, are super useful when you need to include variables or expressions directly inside a string. Next, let's talk about some very useful methods you'll use when working with strings. JavaScript provides tons of built-in functions to manipulate strings. Let's go through a few of them. First up is length. It simply returns the number of characters in a string. Let s1 equals. This is string1. Console.log s1.length. Let's see the output. So it returns 16, including spaces. The second useful method is to uppercase. This method is great for changing the case of your string to uppercase letters. Console.log s1.to uppercase. As you can see in the console, it converts all the lowercase letters to uppercase. Another similar method is to lowercase. This method changes all the uppercase letters to lowercase of the string. Console.log s1.to lowercase. As you can see, it returns the string in lowercase. Finally, let's talk about escape characters. Sometimes you'll want to include special characters in your string, like quotes or new lines. To do that, you can use the backslash to escape them. Here's an example. Let quote string. Inside the single quotes, let's write something. She said, JavaScript is awesome. If you directly add quotes between any portion of your string, it will throw you an error because the compiler confuses where the string ends. So you can use the backslash just before the quote starting and ending. Now let's display it. Console.log quote string. As you can see in the console, it includes the single quotes of this portion. If you want to add a new line between your strings, you can use \n. Let new line equals hello world. Now just add \n after the hello word. As you can see, it added a new line between the string. And that's it for today's introduction to strings in JavaScript. We covered the basics, like how to define strings, some useful methods to manipulate them, template literals, and escape characters. Strings are at the core of working with text in JavaScript, so mastering them will take you a long way in your coding journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coding tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you'd like to learn next. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.